What's the meaning of adjudication? Adjudication. 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 The term adjudication refers to the legal process of resolving a dispute between parties and making a judicial decision on the matter. The result of adjudication is a final and binding decision on the rights and responsibilities of the parties involved. This decision can have serious consequences, as it can determine the outcome of lawsuits, administrative proceedings, and other legal disputes. Adjudication provides a mechanism for parties to resolve their differences in a fair and impartial manner, and it plays an important role in maintaining the rule of law in modern societies.